If you are new to macOS and you moved to it because you thought of, your old OS is not that smooth, that premium, that perfect, and you decided to buy Apple computer. But then you touch the mouse, scroll once, it lags. Scroll again, it flies off. And even the direction you are scrolling, it goes opposite of what it used to go in case of Windows. Don't worry guys, in this video I will show you exactly how to fix that and make your Mac mouse feel just like as natural as it did in Windows. Hey there everyone, this is the Mac Essential where we help you to elevate your macOS experience. So make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential for these kind of tutorials. Okay, so let me first of all close this Chrome, and now let's talk about the problem. The problem is not your mouse, it's macOS itself. Apple uses something called natural scrolling and adds acceleration physics to both the cursor as well as scroll wheel. That means harder or faster you scroll, the more unpredictable it feels. But again, I would say if you are a habitual of macOS, you will feel it you are in home. But let's say if somebody is migrating from Windows, it is really cumbersome for them. Okay, so let's see how we can fix it. For that, you need to click on Apple logo and then go to system setting. And now let's look for mouse setting, which you're going to find it here. So let's click on mouse. Then the first thing here we need to do is we need to uncheck this option which says natural scrolling. So when we uncheck this option, what will happen is it will change your scrolling direction just like how you used to do in case of Windows. But still there is one more thing that we need to fix, which is the natural physics, which means that if you rotate your scroll wheel very slowly, it really behaves like a real object, which start from stop and then slowly accelerate. But for Windows users, they are not habitual of these kind of thing, so for them it is very annoying. So what they can do here is, again, they need to click on advanced and then they will find this option enabled. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to uncheck it and then click on done. Now everything is set up guys. All you need to do is you need to enjoy now your mouse scroll direction, as well as you're gonna feel yourself at home just like you used to do with Windows. Your mouse going to behave like same. If you still see or feel that your mouse is not behaving as expected, I would recommend you to restart your system and then again recheck these settings. You should definitely feel most of the problem from mouse side is now resolved. And that's all guys from my side in this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. So then please make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential for more such tutorial related to macOS productivity, and I will see you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.